She's insulting me. Something is wrong with her.
She just said that.
Wait, so please pay attention. This place is very
No, just be
sensitive,
going,
kind
be
of. On
going.
the light.
The inner light.
Is the light not working?
Light. It's off.
Amala?
有出来玩？
Huh?
你是司机啊？你玩出来玩
What's
Huh?
it?
啊？
You said?
我喜欢旁边你，
Huh?
我喜欢旁边你。
So remove put it
Casa.
on back.
Lusa casa.
Yeah.
Yang ni no motor number mo.
What's in it?
Say,
No, she might wait
why
here.
the lane motor you have the problem, sir? So why the lane you have the problem?
谁让你在里面开车的？你有驾驶照吗？我看一下，
有啊。
看一下。有什么问题？问题大了。
I decided to do this around my company's property because it was like the easier option for me, and seeing that it was already getting late. Meet my tutor. Say hi.
Hi.
Here's my tutor. I'm going to learn how to drive today, so I'm trying to document this. Actually, this is my second attempt. The first time I attempted learning, I actually learned just halfway. I don't know if it was up to halfway because I did not learn how to revise. So this is me, and it's been a long time, so I most likely have forgotten a lot of things. So this is me making the second attempt to drive. I just will find an empty field because this place, they say, look, stay inside this environment. I don't know if we'll see any empty place. Supposed to even be a free place around here. This is like a road, but people are not even much here. Okay, I think we're going to be starting from this place. I'm kind of nervous. I'm not scared. Yeah. Let me put on my seatbelt. I don't need it.
No, I want to be free.
You want me to be free? Very good. I feel.
For now. So I'll just share that okay for you. Are you okay? What is steering?
Yes, yes. Not short.
Your leg you touch the pedal very well.
Come and show me. I've forgotten.
I'm coming.
My leg can touch it, but it's just that I've forgotten how to.
Okay, leg.
Yeah,
I touch it very well.
it's
Not that
touching.
one.
Which one
You're
is
using
drive?
just one
Which
leg.
one
You're
is?
using one leg. That's the right leg.
I'm using only one leg to be pressing
Yes,
it too.
but this one is automatic.
Can I use one leg to be pressing it too?
Yes.
What if I put one here, put one here?
No. When you want to drive it, I'll tell you how to do it. This one should be here. The left should be here.
Which one is this one?
Yes.
What's this
No,
one?
you don't mash it. I mean here. And that one will control it too.
Okay.
So you're okay now.
Yes. Wish me luck.
Now, the first thing to know is to know the size of your vehicle.
Know the what?
You know the size of your vehicle.
Okay.
Master is you part of you, like when you're moving the vehicle, you know, just like when you want to pass a very narrow place, you know if that place will contain you or not.
Okay.
Because driving this vehicle now and then, it happens to be that you want to drive around that vehicle. Definitely, it will confuse you a little. If you need some time to drive it for, you need to drive some time. This is how your steering should be. Your steering is like this, you know your tire is straight.
Okay.
But these days, I don't know, like this vehicle, I don't know, some vehicle, the alignment is not balanced. You won't be able to actually get it right.
Okay.
But this is how every steering should be.
Okay.
So now, you want to move. Before you move, you put your leg on your brake. You can see there are two pedals there. The one to your.
Are you sure this chair is not too forward?
It's too forward. You don't have. Okay.
Okay, I've moved it backward a bit.
So you see the smaller one, the kind of that is
The one that is down.
yes, that one is turtle.
Mm.
The other one is your
So
brake.
okay, the bigger one is the brake, the smaller one is the turtle.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you want to move, before you move, you mash your brake, then you put your gear to wherever you want to go. If
This
it's
is the
reverse
brake.
or
I
drive.
will match
Mash
it
it.
with one leg. Can I
Yeah.
not be using it two legs?
No, I don't want to use it. I want to master you. So mash it down. Have you
Then
mashed
that
it?
one I'll be using that one to move, Abi.
Yes, once you start moving, if you want to accelerate, now you move your left from brake and accelerate.
Okay, I've pressed it. Which one? Okay, I've pressed it.
Okay, so now put it on drive. You see it from there.
If I
You see
don't
it
match the
change
brake,
from
will
here.
it move?
No, if you don't manage the brakes, you won't be able to take it from
Okay.
park.
So should I remove my leg from the
It's on
brake?
drive now, Abi, yeah? It's on drive, Abi?
How will I know?
This is what you say, D.
Okay.
So now once you remove the since it's automatic, it should be going by itself.
Okay, if I remove
Should
my
be
leg
moving
from
by
the
itself,
brake,
yes.
it will be moving by itself.
Yeah. Just remove your leg and be going
There are people on the
gradually.
road, I want them to leave so I will not jam them.
Okay. It's not to be afraid of. Just be going.
Okay, should I start going?
Yeah. Remove your
Please
leg.
stay close to me. Just
Remove
be
your leg.
at
Don't be afraid. I'm
alert.
here. Nothing. And just be going. So I like just remain like that. Let the steering be like that, okay? You're going now. This is your way. Because the steering is not straight, like I told you. You need a little alignment.
Okay.
So I think this is the home. Just follow it, but make sure your drive is straight. You can see there's a line in between
will
this
I
road,
know?
Abi. There's
Let
a
me
line.
break.
Can you see that line?
That line that
Uh-huh.
is dividing the road.
Just take it as your road mark.
Okay.
So I want you to be on this part. This part is enough
Okay,
for
I
you
should
to
be
drive.
on this part. I
Yes.
should not enter the center.
Yeah, don't be
of the
going
left.
up and down. Just stay on this part. Let us try to see, so you can master your.
There's somebody coming in front.
Don't worry, we're going. We're going.
Just stay at alert.
Don't worry, I'm with you. We're going. That's your brake, Abi.
Yeah.
I want you to hold your brake. Good. Too much though. You're supposed to tap it little by little. It goes down gradually, not once.
Okay.
Okay.
So this man should leave the road. If I jam it.
Doesn't know your lane. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
I should be moving it, Abi.
Yeah, do not accelerate. Just be going. Just leave it there. Do not throttle.
Am I not
You're going off
I'm
track.
going off track
Yeah.
already, Abi.
I said yes. So you turn it and balance it.
Once I've turned, I have to balance,
balance
it.
yourself,
Okay.
yes. Once so try to look for your balance. Make sure if it's going off track, you push it back. If it's going this way, you turn it back. That's simple as that. I think you should come to my side a little. Okay.
Now I'll take it back.
Yes.
Okay.
We're going. No. My side.
I feel like I'm entering that side too much.
No. Balance it.
Okay.
Good. We're going. My side. Okay. Balance it.
So once I've moved this small, I don't need to keep moving it. I just need to balance it. Wait,
Yes.
let me press the brake, please.
Okay.
So how do I match the brake? The thing is coming with full force.
Yeah, that's because gradually you get used to it.
All right then.
You are going this way. So now
how
that
do I
you're going, you'll be going gradually. Let's be going. I'm with you. You move your left and brake. So now when you get to a bend like this, you see this edge.
Right.
So you go to the front a little, start bending before you start.
Start bending.
Yeah, cut. Come again.
Yeah.
Come again. Don't be afraid. Then return one. Return one. Tap your brake. Tap your brake. Good. You count it. So you count it. When you want to bend like this one now, count how many times you turn the steering wheel. I return it back the same times you turn it.
Wait. When I was bending, I'll count how many times I bent to the left.
Yes.
Then when I've gotten to the line I want, you not take it back the same amount of time I bent it.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
So now I have to keep going straight and be
Let's
controlling
go
the
straight.
steering. Wait, be looking, be looking what I'm doing.
My side, don't worry.
Should I remain on this side?
My side. Come to my side. Okay. Stick on.
I just stick up
Yeah, balance it now.
and balance it. Abi?
Yeah, balance it. Don't say balance.
Is it okay?
Good. Yes. So go like that.
But there's something on the road there.
Yeah, we're going. Your side.
To just keep going like this
Yes, that's
until I put
automatic.
acceleration, Abi.
Mm.
Then how will I know if my car is not going to hit that truck then?
This truck is going to
Yes.
hit that because it's not matter your size. From here, I could tell to hit it.
To
So you
hit
go
it
your
so I
side.
move.
Yes.
Then I balance.
Mm.
Did I still need to move to your
Yeah, come
side?
to my side a little. You always try to maintain your lane. If you go to anybody and someone else's lane, try to come back to your lane before the person approaches. So I think it's no,
Serious
just stay
motor
in your lane. Don't
coming.
be afraid. This is your lane. It's not coming to you. Just continue. You can see your vehicle now is going this way, it's facing that building.
It's for face so I have
Uh,
to
balance it,
adjust.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
Balance
bent
it.
already. I
Yeah.
cannot balance, Abi.
Yeah.
Or do I still need to bend?
Good, good, good. That's good. Okay,
So I
this is all
should
do here. Hold on. That's your brain. Now I want you to put your vehicle on reverse.
not
Don't be
yet.
afraid.
Let's just move to.
Okay, let's see. So
I
let's
want to
begin.
bend now.
Now that you're going, that's your lane over there.
It's going there, Abi.
Your lane, yes. But there's where we'll go. So be going.
People are plenty on the
Don't
road.
worry, don't worry. You don't have any stress. If you have stress, I'll tell you. You're good.
So now should I bend?
Mm. Be going.
But it's not straightened though.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
You
So,
just stay at a lot.
Mm.
And be looking the road, please.
Okay, I'll tell
I
you
should
from
move
here. Go cut,
one,
and
two,
2, 3,
three,
4.
4.
The return 1.
One,
Hold on.
2,
Return 2.
uh-huh,
Return 3.
3,
Return 4.
4,
Then come 5 and come to your lane.
5.
Yeah.
Come to my lane. Okay, there I can move now.
Yeah. Don't accelerate. Just be going like that. So balance yourself.
Okay.
Go to your side because these people they don't give you things. So balance yourself. Come to my side. My side. Balance yourself.
Do you think I'm going out of lane?
Yes, you are.
So let me move it to
That's
this.
cool. You're coming to my side soon. So yeah, so balance it.
There's a truck coming.
Yeah, just stay in your lane. Don't have any problems.
Please stay at a lot as this truck is
I'm
coming.
with you.
Making me nervous.
Okay. Don't be. You're good.
Huh?
You see that trailer over there?
I can see.
Okay. So your eye should be
Looking
yes,
far.
not here. So go look at this guy. Balance yourself. Go to your side. There's only one thing when you get close to them, I'll tell you when to start negotiating.
I'm going off my lane now.
Yeah, because of them. Continue.
It's on purpose.
Yes, kind of put this line and should be
My middle point.
yeah.
But I'm still going off lane.
So like this. It's fine this way. So now because of this stuff you want to change your lane, you must wash your mirror to see
Who's
there's
coming?
vehicle coming behind you.
She's insulting me.
Yeah,
Something is wrong with her.
She just said that.
Wait, so please pay attention. This place is very
You'll be
sensitive,
going,
kind
you're
of.
going.
Why is she insulting me?
Maybe
Wait, let me press the brake. Why is she insulting me? She mad?
maybe you disturb her. You say she wants us to park, and you're going.
Does she
should
not
have
have
known.
eyes to see that
I
I'm
just
learning? Please be at alert. There are lots
Yeah.
of cars here.
You're going. You're good. Gently. Your lane. Come back to your lane. Your lane.
Sometimes it doesn't feel like he's moving.
Yeah. You'll move soon. Master the size of your vehicle first.
That woman, she has eyes to see that I'm learning. She's calling me stupid.
Come back to my side, dude.
So this stand, I don't know how to this thing. There are people at the left. There's a stand by the. I want to pull brake, but you'll be the one to maneuver this place.
No, don't worry. We're good. Let me see.
Wait, there's a car coming.
Okay, use here. Use here. You can go.
This place is too small.
Just be going.
You sure?
Yes. These are the things we do. Normally, I'm supposed to set drum. You drive past it.
It's
So
too
the more
small
you're
now.
yes, I'm supposed to set drum like this.
Oh, yeah,
I reduce it
be doing it yourself.
I want you to master it. You're the one doing it, not me. Work
Okay.
with your brake. Work with your brake.
Okay.
Your leg should be on it. Be tapping it slowly. If it's going too faster beyond you can control, you work with your brake. So Cut out.
On the
Out.
on to break.
Yeah.
Sorry. The light.
The inner light.
Because I'm vlogging.
Okay.
Is the light not working? Light.
The inner light.
Is the light not working?
Light.
Amala?
有摘完
Ah?
你是司机啊？有摘完
What's it?
啊？
You said?
我喜欢后面的，
Ah?
我喜欢后面的。
So remove put it
啥
on
子啊
back.？
路上啥子啊？
Yeah.
哎呀，你说 no 么多那么么？
What's in the door?
Say.
No, Shema went
why
here.
the lane motor you have the problem, sir? So why the lane you have the problem?
谁让你在里面开车的？你有驾驶照吗？我看一下，
有啊。
看一下，有什么问题？问题大了。你的经理是不是叫、是不是叫你？你的马自达是不是？你的马自达叫什么？你不是吗？你不是改？
不是不
那你的马自达叫什么名字嘛？你的中国的马自达叫什么名字嘛？
中国的 master，
啊，你的老板叫什么名字？
他叫
总吗？
师傅，是那个
板是吗？
Yes。
好，我直接找他。
Say one go look for him for her.
See what happen.
Is it on the first drive go factory? I don't even know that this.
You didn't get that policy say you know lane motor here.
I don't know, but manager was the one that asked me to learn here.
Allah.
May go tonight.
So
Should we
let's
go?
move. Let's go.
Are you sure it's clear?
Yeah.
I don't even
Your
need to
brake.
look
Your
at-
brake first. Mash your brake. Put it on drive. Put it on drive.
Check.
Put it on,
Okay,
put it
there's
on
no
drive.
motor.
Put
There's
it on
motor
drive.
coming.
Don't worry.
Small boat.
Mash your brake. Put it on drive. Are you on drive? That's neutral.
It's on drive. Okay.
No.
Check now.
That's the check from there.
Okay. Please check. Oh.
Yes, yes, I'm with you.
Please.
Hold it. Hold that two like that. Hold it two. Hold it two.
Look now.
Then come back. One. It's okay. Balance it.
Sorry.
No problem. Oh, no drive rough now. I'm driving cool.
这个安全意识一定要加强。给他说了，我说叫司机那眼神练练行，有时候司机不在，他出去方便行。我说你开到那边，开到那边。下完时间那么多中国人，你们车到那里，我不是，我在你。
What did you say?
It's my park. I got my park on.
Is it me park?
Yeah, I got
Let me go.
I got my park there.
Let me go park.
How you say?
No, wait till I talk to her. One of them.
Yeah, and I go. I'll be go meet her.
那个大的地方啊，
仓库那边，
那边是不是仓库？
这边还是这边？
在那边中间。
那你怎么练？那你老板过来过去的。大老板这两天来了，知不知道？来了。
嗯。
这里是你们宿舍，对不对？
是。
左边是仓库，在左边练。
我们。
左边是仓库，等一下一起走。
I'm confused that I'm not supposed to be driving on the road. They want to report to my boss. But we're still going to continue. Even though it's kind of like late.